The MMI Navigation Plus with MMI Touch Response gives you ultimate ease of operation. A personalized menu, practical infotainment solutions, and connected online services highlight its innovative character. There are 3 high-resolution displays in the vehicle cockpit, 2 MMI displays, and the Audi Virtual Cockpit. It displays driving-related information directly in front of you. On the top display, you control the infotainment functions. To operate, you don't merely touch, rather you actually press, more like a real push button. You can also use the kind of touch gestures that you probably use on your smartphone, such as swiping or scrolling. Thanks to MMI Touch Response technology, with haptic and acoustic feedback, you feel and hear what is happening on the display. You change the view of the lower display with a click. You now have access to your personal shortcuts. You can adjust climate and comfort functions in both views. The MMI Navigation Plus supports LTE Advanced and brings numerous Audi Connect services on board, such as the Google Earth Map view, a convenient point of interest search option, and hazard warnings. Map updates can be called up online and sent to your vehicle. The intelligent MMI Search is a convenient way to enter a destination. The MMI recognizes whole words in script or block capitals or overlapping letters. A keyboard is available when stationary. When you perform a search, the MMI also refers to your location, your address book, and your last destinations. You can also switch to the Google Search Online results with just a click. The navigation system learns your driving habits so that it can assist you even better. If you wish, the personal route assistant independently calculates route suggestions based on routes already driven, taking account of the day of the week, time of day, and current traffic volumes. You can turn, tilt, or zoom the navigation map. An extended 3D city representation of many European cities helps you find your way around. You can tailor the navigation system to your requirements in the settings. For instance, activate supplementary information or traffic information online, which you then see in real time in the map. After leaving the car, you can continue to follow your route on your smartphone with the My Audi app. With natural voice control, you can control the Audi MMI conveniently while driving too. Say what you want directly without needing to use fixed commands wherever you are in the menu. The MMI Navigation Plus processes your search request on board and online, then conducts dialogue with you to find the information you need.
What can I do for you?
I'm hungry.
Searching for a restaurant along the route. Please now say additional search terms or select a line number.
Italian.
I'll search for Italian along the route.
The Audi MMI offers you many ways of individually tailoring the vehicle to your demands. If you wish, simply move important main menus to the front or onto the direct access bar. Press longer to create a shortcut for any media, important navigation addresses, as well as contacts or vehicle functions you regularly need. You can save up to 32 shortcuts. You can also edit them via the long touch function. Shortcuts can also be deleted or moved in the edit mode as you require. That gives you one-click access to your most important functions. You can configure a total of 6 profiles independently. If another person is using the vehicle, it is easy to switch profiles. Then all the menu settings, as well as that person's steering wheel and seat position, plus many other individual features are loaded. The MMI Navigation Plus with MMI Touch Response, innovative navigation technology, intuitive operation, and a high degree of personalization.